In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a potion of leaping in Minecraft. So all you need for this potion is a rabbit's foot. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your rabbit's foot in the brewing stand, put some awkward potions in, click the card in the top right if you want to see how to make an awkward potion. So we're going to let this brew. And now we have Potion of Leaping. So it's a jump boost for 3 minutes. So if we take these two out and we put this redstone in, and once that's finished brewing, we have a jump boost for 8 minutes. Now if we stick another one in and put some glowstone, this will allow us to jump a bit higher. So the base one lets you jump an extra half a block, and this one will let you jump a block and a half. Now if we stick these all in and put some gunpowder in, this will turn them into splash potions. There we go, now we've got all our splash potions. So go over here. You can see there's no way of me jumping up here. If we throw our splash potion 2 down, we can jump up. So this is great for scaling mountains or just getting about really. There's even a bit of falling protection as well. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe.